All right, a couple ways that you can help yourself while you're sitting and you want to work on your posture is to use a pillow, one behind your back to help remind you, not to take the pressure off your back, but to help remind you that you should keep a proper curvature in your low back that keeps your core engaged. Number two, if this angle is too tight here, where it's making your hip flexors sore when you have to get up or out of the car, then I would suggest putting a pillow down towards the back of your butt so that that angle kind of sits you, so that you're decreasing your hip flexor angle. So you can do this while driving, you can do it sitting on a sofa, you can do it while working in your chair. The best though for posture is stand when you're working, or use a walking treadmill, or sit on a yoga ball. So as the best way is when we sit on a yoga ball that's properly inflated, we make sure that I don't have anything to rest against, so I have to rely on just my core. So my core is keeping me upright right now, and this helps stretch some of the areas that are tight so you can bounce on it, and then it also makes sure that your body has better posture than if you're just letting yourself rest into a chair. So